What's going on, YouTube, traders, investors? Today we're going to take a closer look at Kohl's and talk about the deal that they made with Amazon. I think it could be big. Let's get into it. Okay, here we're looking at the 180-day chart of Kohl's. But first, we're going to talk about this deal with Amazon. I'm thinking how big this could be. Basically, I think Kohl's has 1,150 stores in the lower 48 United States. And they're going to start accepting returns from Amazon. That is like really big because I know we've all had the issue. We got something from Amazon. It's broke. It's whatever. It's not the right size. Whatever. And then you got to send it back in the mail, blah, blah, and wait. This is going to change the game. Because now, I think they said in July is when it's going to take place. You can go to any Kohl's store with your Amazon purchase, say you need to return it, and return it at Kohl's. Amazon just doesn't stop. Amazon is the beast of beast when it comes to retail and web sales. You know, like it is just, they seem to always figure a way to get higher. But we're gonna read a little bit of this article. Okay, the news that I want to look at. Let's see if we can pull it up. Why Kohl's expanded relationship with Amazon could be a game changer. I mean, to me, I'll get into the article. Kohl stock gained more than 10% after confirming its partnership expansion, and the double-digit move doesn't fully incorporate the true potential. Y'all get that? This stock has a lot of potential north to go up. And it makes the most sense. It makes so much sense. The agreement also allows Amazon to buy 1.47 million shares of Kohl stock at an exercise price of $69.68. So they're getting it, like today it's sitting at $70. So they're getting it right at what it should be, right there. Kohl's made it clear in the early stage of the relationship it's only interested in an expansion if it makes economic sense for us to do so. Since the partnership will soon expand across the U.S., Kohl said that it's no reason to doubt Kohl's is benefiting financially, and this deal could be a potential game changer in the retail space. That's what I say. It's definitely a game changer. Just the fact of the convenience. Everybody likes convenience. They don't like to hassle with sending stuff back in the mail. They can just go to the store and get their money back or exchange it for whatever. So that's enough with the news. We're going to actually dive into this chart. Like I said, the 180-day chart, low 58.66 back to the end of December. And if you can see, it's making a steady climb. It's having its pullbacks. And we're going to zoom in a little bit on the day the news came out, which was, I believe, the 23rd. And you see the gain right here. We're looking at, that's almost 13% if you go into the next day. And right now, you can see it's dipping. And the reason it's dipping, I believe, if you look straight across, I'm going to do a line at 76.39 about then. Straight across 76.39. We're good. So, come on now. There we go. You see this. I'm going to extend this to the left. It met some resistance right here. It hit it a couple times. And it just hit it again with that big move after the Amazon news. If you can see that there's a steady climb here. Pullbacks, usually pulling back to about the 200. But this stock, in my opinion, is going up. It's going up, and the deal with Amazon is the catalyst for Kohl's. Other than Kohl's being a good store. You know, like I said, they have like over 1,100 stores in the United States where you're going to be able to return your Amazon purchases. And that's about all I got for this video. But look out for Kohl's. Do your due diligence and make some money. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell. And also in the description below, there's going to be a link to Robinhood. If you use that link, set up your Robinhood account, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.